Hi there, it's Sabrina here from Blrt. Hope you're all well. We're very excited about launching Blrt Web, so we're going to give you a little tour. Now, Blrt Web works on Google Chrome on either Mac or PC. The first time you fire up Blrt Web, you'll go through a quick tutorial to get yourself orientated. Your desktop view simultaneously shows you all the key parts of Blrt, the main menu, the inbox, and the conversation. When you click on one of the blurts in a conversation, they start to play, and the sections of the screen which aren't that important at that moment neatly slide away, although they're still in easy reach. When you've picked the blurt that you want to view in a blurt conversation, you can go full screen on your blurt by collapsing across the very last section and then tapping full screen in the bottom right-hand corner. It's just like with a video. And this is the full screen view. When it comes to actually making a blurt, the process is exactly like on the mobile version of Blrt. You just hop on back over to reveal the main menu and hit New Blurt. It's either in the top left-hand corner or just in the middle there. Now, Blrt will then ask you to give your blurt conversation a name. I'm happy enough with the default name, which is today's date, so I'll just hit Next. You now get to choose which media you use. You can select a file like a PDF or a JPEG or a PNG file, use one of the handy Blrt templates, or take a shot with your computer's camera right then and there. You can even drag and drop. Selecting your file works just like attaching a document to an email. And this is what it looks like when you add a selfie. So your files line up in front of you and you can rearrange them in any order by dragging and dropping them. The handy Group by File button at the top right helps you keep something like a multiple page PDF all together within the blurt. So now all you do is hit Create. All your tools work just the same as in the mobile app. You can simply point, or you can draw boxes, circles, or freehand lines using a variety of colors. The first step, of course, is to hit record. When you're done drawing and talking, you can hit the stop button. You then have the option to play your blurt back and check that you've got it right, start recording again if you want to add something, or save it if you're happy with it. If you're not happy with your blurt, hit the X in the top right-hand corner and you'll be able to start all over again. And when you've hit save, your blurt will upload to the cloud. There it is uploading. You'll then be able to see it at the top of your inbox. From there, you can choose to add people to the conversation by hitting the Add button at the bottom of the screen. You then hit Add again to add someone by email, or you can copy and email the URL of the blurt and invite them into the conversation that way. They'll need to request access to the conversation. And you can add a charming note to any email that you sent. And there they are, all added in. I guess I do find myself wondering whether there is actually someone who owns the person@wherever.com.au email account. I guess I'll find out when they reply to my blurt. See you later. Happy blurt webbing.